Today's the day, folks. It's happening. I'm saying bye to the roof wrap, taking it off. Gonna vacuum the car inside and then take that off right after. Just tired of it. Tired of it ripping. Summer's coming, so it's gonna be ripping even more. Got all these little white lines. Tons of them, tons of them, tons of them. So, I'm gonna miss you, old friend. But at the same time, I'm not. Keep the black trunk, obviously. Look how dirty it is, though. Because it rained here. Rained in California, IA. I'm gonna knock out this vacuum real quick. And then start peeling off the roof wrap, and I'll show you guys that. So, be right back. Well, to be totally honest, I don't know how hard this is gonna be. I don't know how much time it's gonna take. Because it is like ripped in pieces. And the roof is pretty damn big. It's a lot of vinyl. So we'll see how it comes off. You gotta start right here with these roof rails and remove these. So I'm gonna get a flathead and just pry this out on both sides, and then we'll start taking it off. This is gonna take longer than I thought. There's a little white roof. Looking mint underneath. It's perfect. It's getting real now. Kind of missing the black roof already. Okay, so far, problems I'm running into, it keeps ripping. So it's just making it more time consuming because I gotta, see, look at that, keeps ripping. This side's doing pretty good, it's just coming off. But once I get to like these rip marks, I'm probably gonna be struggling. Well, I'm gonna be here for a while doing this. Shaking my head. I've got a good chunk off right now, and I gotta say the hardest parts are once you get to the cracks. It's like so brittle and dried out. It just makes it so much harder to peel. And then I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's like this wax residue that got left where the crack used to be, and that's like all the wax treatments that I've done to the top of the roof. They've like filled into the crack line, and now whenever I peel, it just leaves like this little thick line where the wax was going in. But it comes off easy, it just rubs right out. But it looks pretty cool. Toughest part, once I get to these crack lines, I'm just keep ripping in these little itty bitty pieces like this. But yeah, I'm getting there, I'm getting there. Coming to life. Ugh. So fucking hard to take off. Look at this. Smallest piece. Small ass pieces. Should I just leave it like this? Just say I got it designed. Like that new look. That new stripe. See how mean it looks. I'd drive that around. Psych. Don't get vinyl wrap on your roof. Just get Plasti Dip. So you can peel even smaller bits. Oh my God. I wonder how many people have bought an automatic car and regretted it. They wanted the manual, they had plans to get the manual, but they didn't get it. So they were scared to drive it home. Maybe they were scared to daily drive it. I don't know. I know I was just like, whatever, I'll get automatic. I don't know how to drive stick. And then once you start getting into cars, you realize what it is to drive a car, not just own the look of a car, you know? I went in and just buying the car for the looks. I was like, ooh, that looks clean. Then you start getting into the modding world, adding power to the engine, learning how to launch, learning how to skid tires, get sideways, and you realize, holy shit, this would be way funner and way better in a manual car. So that's where I'm at right now. Wonder how many of you guys are out there like that. Maybe you're the opposite. You just right away just bought a manual car and you already knew what it was all about, and you didn't know how to drive it, and you said fuck it, and you bought it, and you started daily driving that bitch until you learned how to drive stick. Props to you guys. Wish I would have went that route. Well, so far I've got it away from all the edges in the front. On the other side, I need to remove it from the edge on the back, just this little section, and then keep peeling away. Well, found the trick. I just gotta get a heat dryer gun, and it just peels up now real easy, or well, at least in bigger pieces. So much better. It's gonna take me a while to get used to this look again. Car feels really naked. From the hood spears being gone to now the roof being white again. Yeah. But I don't know. What do you think? See it from behind with the black trunk. No regrets. No regrets. I like it. I needed the change. But man, that vinyl was a bitch to get off. Moral of the story: use the heat gun. Just got it off real quick. Alright guys. well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Short and sweet. Hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment, let me know what you think. You like the new look? Hope you guys are digging it just as much as I am. See you guys next time. Peace.